Hi, my name is Emma Kinell. I'm COO at Mimbly, and we develop sustainable laundry solutions. Water is one of our most crucial natural resources, and at the same time, one of the most misused. In your household, about 25% of the water goes to doing laundry. This water then goes to the sewer, full of microplastics. One single wash can release as much as 9 million of these small microplastics fibers from all the synthetic clothes that we use. They go through the treatment plants and end up in our oceans. Looking at all the microplastics in the oceans, about 35% come from washing textiles. These microplastics bind to toxins and pesticides, get eaten by plankton and fish, and in the end, by you and me. We all eat about one credit card worth of microplastics every single week. By year 2050, a staggering 5 billion people will live in areas of the world that experience water stress annually. So we ask ourselves, do we really need drinking water to be able to wash? And of course, the answer to that question is no. We just need water that is clean enough. And that is why we developed our first product that we call the Membox. The Membox is an add-on solution for professional laundry machines that recycles water, captures microplastics, and saves energy. And it works something like this. The Membox consists of 2 units. It's the Membox and a pre-filter tank, and is connected through water connections and to power. All water from the laundry machines passes through the Membox, and here the water is filtered from microplastics and is also analyzed to determine water quality. And if the quality is sufficient, the water is stored inside of the Membox. We have a patent antibacterial system that makes it safe to store the water. And the filtering and the recycling happens in real time while you wash. But you can also store the water and save it to the next time you wash. The microplastics are captured in a container here at the front of the Membox, where it can get disposed of instead of getting into our oceans. The Membox works with all kinds of professional laundry machines, regardless of brand and size. And we have chosen to focus on industries and segments that wash a lot. Today, these are mainly facility management and real estate, but there are many more. The Membox recycles water, captures microplastics, saves energy, and is also connected. You can log into our unique dashboard, the Memboard, where you can see all your savings, both financial and environmental, data that you can share with your users, employees, and other stakeholders. These are some of our current customers, some of the biggest housing companies and facility management in Sweden. We have recently expanded and made our first installations outside of Sweden, in Norway and in Denmark. There are more to come. This is how the Membox looks in its natural environment installed next to the washing machines. We have so far saved, we have 50 boxes installed today, aiming for 100 by the summer. And this year, we have so far saved more than 200 liters of water. This is last week's numbers when I had to submit the presentation. Today is also more than 200,000 liters of water, more than 18 kilos of microplastics. But to have a big impact, we need to have a lot of units installed. And with 30,000 Memboxes, this is the impact that we would have. This is water savings equivalent to 300 million bathtubs, and capturing of microplastics equivalent to 270 million of plastic credit cards that otherwise would have gotten into the oceans and eaten by all of us. All this impact that we have had and will have would only be possible with our amazing and dedicated team. We are a diverse and passionate team ready to change the world. and we would love you to join us on this journey to revolutionize the laundry industry. Thank you.